Ever posted a TikTok and just heard crickets? Wondered why it completely flopped? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to crack the code on TikTok growth and lay out the exact formula for going viral.
I mean, this is the big question, right? You could spend hours on what you think is the perfect video, only to see it get like 10 views. Meanwhile, some random 7-second clip blows up overnight. So what's the secret?
Okay, so here's the good news. It is not just random luck. Success on TikTok is basically a science, and there's a repeatable formula you can follow. So let's break it down.
First things first, before we even think about what to post, we have to understand the gatekeeper of it all, the TikTok algorithm. Because look, to win the game, you gotta know the rules. So, what does this all-powerful algorithm actually care about? It's all about one thing: watch time. This is, without a doubt, the single most important metric. If people finish your video, or even better, watch it more than once, TikTok sees that as a huge green flag. It tells the algorithm, hey, this is good stuff, and it pushes it out to way more people. Everything, and I mean everything we talk about today, is designed to maximize this one thing. And that leads us perfectly into our first pillar: creating content that people just can't swipe away from. This is the foundation for everything else. All right, so how do you do that? It really boils down to 4 key things. You gotta be focused, you gotta be unique, you gotta grab their attention instantly, and you gotta be clever with your ending. Let's dive into each one.
First up, find your niche. Look, the algorithm loves a specialist. When you stick to one topic, whether it's tech reviews or comedy skits, TikTok learns exactly who your audience is. That lets it serve your content to the right people, which, you guessed it, boosts your engagement and your watch time.
Okay, this part is so important. Jumping on trends is great for getting seen, but you can't just be a carbon copy. Your unique perspective, your sense of humor, your editing style, that's what makes people actually hit the follow button. They're not just following a trend, they're following you.
Okay, pro tip right here. Keep your videos short. The absolute sweet spot is just 5 to 9 seconds. Why? Well, think about it. It's way easier to get someone to watch a 7-second video all the way through than a 60-second one, right? This jacks up your average watch time, which we already know the algorithm absolutely loves.
So, here are the tactics to make that happen. You have to hook them in the first 1 to 2 seconds. On-screen text like "you won't believe the ending" is a classic for a reason. Use fast cuts to keep the energy high. And the real pro move? Create a perfect loop. People will watch it 2-3 times before they even realize what's happening, sending your watch time through the roof.
Okay, so you've nailed the content. Awesome. But that's only half the battle. Now for pillar number 2, playing the game. It's not just about what you post. It's about how you use TikTok's own tools to your advantage.
All right, here's a super simple but crazy effective tactic. TikTok's algorithm actively promotes videos that use trending audio. Just by working 2 or 3 of these sounds in your videos each week, you're basically telling the platform, hey, I'm relevant, pay attention to me.
And hashtags. Don't just throw random ones on there. There's an actual formula. You want a mix. Use 2 broad trending hashtags like #FYP to cast a really wide net. Then, add 2 or 3 super specific niche hashtags like #tech to tell the algorithm exactly who your video is for. Next up, you have to be consistent. Posting 1 to 2 videos every single day tells TikTok that you're a serious, active creator. And yeah, timing is everything. You want to aim for these peak windows when the most people are scrolling, late morning through lunch, and then again in the evening. Engaging with your community, absolutely vital. Replying to comments with text is good, sure, but here's the secret sauce. Replying with a video is a game changer. That video reply becomes a brand new piece of content that gets pushed to the For You page, and it often drives a ton of traffic back to your original video.
All right, we've got our content, we've got our platform strategy. Now it's time for the final piece of the puzzle: building your brand. This is the human element, the thing that turns a casual viewer into a loyal fan. And you have to remember this. It's so important. People follow people, not just content. Algorithms come and go. Trends change. But that human connection, that's forever. Your personality is your ultimate advantage. I know. Not everyone loves being on camera. But listen, the impact is huge. Even if you're doing tutorials, just showing your face for a couple of seconds builds trust. It makes everything feel more personal and seriously increases the chances that someone will follow you.
Your profile page. That's your digital storefront.
It needs to be clean, clear, and look professional. A good, clear profile pic, a short bio that immediately tells people what you're all about, and throwing in a few keywords all make a massive difference in turning those visitors into followers.
And hey, just a quick note on that, quality really does matter. You don't need a Hollywood budget, but a modern phone, some decent lighting, and clear audio are pretty much non-negotiable now. The algorithm itself can actually tell when a video is high quality, and it favors content that looks and sounds good.
Okay, let's wrap this all up. It might seem like a lot, but this whole viral formula, it just boils down to those 3 core pillars we just covered.
Pillar 1, unforgettable content. That's your niche, your unique spin, and mastering that short, looping video to get that watch time way, way up.
Pillar 2, play the game. This is the tactical stuff, using trending sounds, following the hashtag formula, posting at the right time, and leveraging those powerful video replies.
And Pillar 3, build your brand. Remember, people follow people. So show your face, clean up that profile, and make sure your quality is on point. And that's it. See, it's not magic, it's a strategy, a formula that literally anyone can use. You have the recipe now. So the only question is, what are you going to create first?